rail fanning. And I'm gonna cut until when Wakefield train comes. And here comes the Wakefield train. They have to see. Like, worker. Show them the back. Why are these trains so dirty?
Oh, show them the bus action.
Guys, look, there's a bus.
And there's another busy over there. And another one.
There's a lot of buses today.
So guys, today is just gonna be some bus and rail fanning action.
Only show Mama for like a split second.
Guys, look, rare U-Haul.
That is a U-Haul, but we're not real fanning.
But the photo is really rare. Show them the real photo, bro.
You're gonna get
in the video. Oh wait, the car's gonna pass by. Show. That's a rare animal, bro. Chat.
There goes the 2 trains.
Hello?
Okay, guys.
Did you show them the LED train?
Yeah, there was an LED train just over there.
Okay.
It was like over there.
Yeah, guys, it was like over there. Hold on. It was like right up there.
Up there. Guys, look at this beautiful...
Oh, workers. Okay.
Guys, look, there's workers.
Okay, gracias.
Guys, look at this beautiful tree. Wow, such a beautiful tree.
Okay, está bien. Okay, gracias.
And guys, this is only going to be a 2-minute video of me rail fanning on the street level. So, bye.